Is the lack of a numeric pad on your laptop slowing your daily work? Do you need a faster and easier way to input large number for those mathematical assignments and tasks? Then keep watching because we just may have a solution for you. The Manhattan Numeric Wireless Keypad improves any notebook computing experience, particularly when entering critical numerical data. It has 18 full-size keys as well as full-travel membrane key switch technology to reduce typing noise, improve response, and provide low-profile keystrokes for quick and accurate data entry. With a USB micro receiver and 2.4 GHz RF technology, you can enjoy wireless freedom with an effective range of up to 33 feet. A convenient backspace key allows for quick corrections. Its ultra-slim and lightweight design makes it simple to pack and transport. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, with Manhattan products, life just got easier.